you have anything on the boat that belongs to you?
No.
No? I'm going to go ahead and stand up and have to take your handcuffs off.
I gotta tell her, man. Never
9x4.
798. 954 798
8025.
80. Okay. Wait, no, I know you're winning. I know you're winning.
Are you detaining someone?
It'll be Palm Beach County Jail.
Palm Beach. Palm Beach.
Are you with her?
No, I just made
No.
it, bro. They got the family. I think it's ready.
And did we get your driver's license yet?
Yeah, he got.
You got? Okay.
He's already in the car.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and give me a deep breath. Just blow. Blow, 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 blow. Perfect.
You sit back down.
Take a breath. Oh my God, man. All right, perfect. All right, man. No, one more blow. Huh?
Are you sure I can't just get a warning?
A warning for boating under the influence?
No, I'm not under the influence.
Yes, you are, ma'am. Absolutely are.
Take a deep breath and give me
If we don't give warnings for boating under the influence, that'd be like getting stopped on the road and say, hey, can I have a warning for driving under the influence?
There you go. You got the click? All right. Oh, I see the click. All right.
Alright, I'm going to read you some stuff reference the breath test, okay? I am now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Will you take the test? It's just a yes or no. Mia, you have a right, okay? I'm not asking you questions about your arrest. You have a right to provide a breath sample. It's just a simple yes or no, okay? Do you want to provide a breath sample? No. I need an out loud no. Okay. If you refuse to submit to the test I requested of you, it will result in a civil penalty of $500. Additionally, if you refuse to submit to the test I've requested, and you've previously been fined under section 327.35215 Florida statutes, or if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor. In addition to any other penalties you will be imposed by law, refusal to submit to this test as requested is admissible into evidence of any proceeding. You understand what I just read to you? So basically it says, if you refuse the test, it's a $500 civil penalty. If you have a prior refusal on record, it becomes a misdemeanor. So do you have a prior refusal? So if you refuse the test, it would be a $500 civil infraction. That's the penalty. Okay? You understand what I read to you? Mia, do you understand what I read to you?
Yes.
Okay. Do you still refuse to submit to the test? Do you want to submit to the test? Are you okay?
I've just never been in a situation like this.
Are you okay though? Because you're not answering simple questions. Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Do you want to take the test?
Sorry, could I take a moment to think about it?
Yeah, you can take a moment. Yep. Okay. So just in summary, because I want to make sure you heard what I said. If you refuse to take the test, it's a $500 penalty. It's like a civil infraction, okay? If you want to take the test, we'd be happy to do it.
I don't want to take it.
You don't want to take the test, okay. You will get a copy of this form. I'm going to read you your directions on the back, okay? and get on the dock. Just make sure everything is ready, right? Let's step back to the back of the boat. Alright, what you're gonna do? You're gonna step up here. And we're gonna help you get up, okay?
Alright, cool.
Step up.
These two big guys will help out. Alright. There you go. Perfect. Alright.
Alright, is there a table? Yep, thank you.
You got it.
Thank you.
Back out.
Take a seat right here.